How to make this effect in Capcut. To do this, record a video where you get up, take off your jacket and throw it in the same place. Now run Capcut on your phone. Import the recorded video and trim it so that it starts when you get up and ends when you disappear from the screen. Select the video on the timeline and scroll with your finger. When you want to cut it, click Split, select the cut part and delete. Do the same at the end of the video. Select the cut clip and click Duplicate. Now select the duplicate clip and select Overlay. Zoom in on the timeline with 2 fingers and move the clip so that crouching is the same as throwing your jacket. Select the second clip and select Mask. Place the circle in the place where the jacket falls. Using the arrows you can change the size and shape of the circle, and the low arrow adjusts the blur. Add a keyframe. Move the video with your finger. Realign the circle and add another keyframe like I did. Export your video and you're done. Leave the thumbs up button under this video and subscribe to my channel.